In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch live football on YouTube TV using your MacBook. If you're looking to stream games directly on your laptop, this guide will walk you through the process. Let's get started. To watch live football on your MacBook, start by opening a web browser like Safari or Chrome and go to tv.ytube.com. Log in to your YouTube TV account or sign up if you're new to the service. Once logged in, browse the channel lineup to find the game you want to watch, such as ESPN, Fox, CBS, or NBC. Click on the channel or game to start streaming instantly. You can use the browser's full screen mode for a better viewing experience. Additionally, you can set reminders or record games using the Cloud DVR feature directly from the website. If this video helped you learn how to watch live football on YouTube TV with your MacBook, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.